Thanks for joining my channel and watching this video related to adding FTD devices to FMC. In today's session, we'll add two FTD devices as shown in the diagram, FTD1, FTD2 to FMC. FTD1, FTD2 and FMC shares 161.1.7.0/24 network. FTD1 have an IP address of 161.1.7.16. FTD2 have an IP address of 161.1.7.18, and FMC has an IP address of 161.1.7.15. In today's session, we'll be just adding the devices to FMC, and I will show you how to add them. In future session, I will show you what are the options available, VPN options available on FTD devices. Moreover, we'll be looking on policy creation and object creation, other things on FMC. If before we dive into configuration and start explaining you how to add FTD devices, please subscribe my channel for coming videos. Let's dive into the configuration and show you how to add. First, we have to log into devices. Okay, there is a certificate. Okay, it's basically not being signed by CA. It's okay. Let us continue with this one. Let us put an admin. Okay, it will take some time to log in. It's usually takes some time. Okay, before we activate it, before we go ahead with the configuration, let us first accept the let us install a evaluation license. Well, the device is, it doesn't have it without license, it will not allow you to add any FTD device. Well, we'll just do evaluation. We don't have registration right now. Okay, here you can even though add classical license, but as you are aware about that Cisco is going for all virtual, like all smart license, that's why it's better to register. If you have a original device, you can register with smart license and have it, and the account that you do have is Cisco. Let us go to the devices. Now we have already activated the license. Let's go for the devices. As you have seen, there is no devices. Okay, let us add the device. Before we add the device, we need to first SSH to device. I have already assigned as you're aware that I have already assigned a management subnet to the devices. Let us log into that. No, it is not going to work with this one. Let us go to the PowerShell. Yes, PowerShell. Now let us log in into the system. Okay, 161.1.7.15 16. The first one is 16. It will take some time to log in. Let us see. Well, in the meantime, let us ping it whether we are able to access it right now. Ping 16. Yes, ping. Yeah, give you the form for the password. It will be. Let's see if the password is. The password got accepted. Okay, the first thing is configure manager, add 161.1.7.15. key will be Cisco. Okay, key will be Cisco. Okay, let us add it here too. Okay, add device. Okay, let us give the same FTD1 161.1.7.16. we put FTD1 spite of putting an IP address. FTD1 Registration key we have selected Cisco. Here we're gonna select no. Access control list we can create from here, or you can create for later. The policy that will be utilized, let us put FTD1 policy. Okay, and let us keep it okay. In the real scenario, you might have a different option: malware, threat, and URL filtering, whatever you have bought with FTD. But as we have enabled the smart license, let us activate everything. Registering. It will take few minutes to get registered. Let us see on the, yeah, successfully configured. Let us see, it's already told you that successfully configured. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Let us wait for a couple of minutes. It usually takes some time to add, and you might be see right first time it's almost added the devices. So let us give few minutes more to add the device. Since the device is almost added, let us try to add the other device. Before we add, let us ping the other device. The other device IP address should be 18. Yes, ping. Okay. Now let us SH to that device. No, wait for a few minutes. Let's see. Okay, we can open one more. Come on, PowerShell. PowerShell and login. Okay. SSH admin @ 160. We are adding the other device. Okay, it's gonna take some time for it to log in. 17 18. See, the device is already been added right now, the FTD1. Let's add the other device. I believe there is a command show manager. It will show you the manager. Okay, see the operation, see type is manager, registration is completed, so means that the device has already been added. Now let us put the password for the other device. Okay, now similarly we are going to add this device as we have added the previous one. We'll do config manager add the device IP address of FMC 15. Key will be Cisco again. You can keep any key if you like to, if you wish, because here we are just doing a lab session, therefore it's better to keep Cisco. Now let us add. In the meantime, it's going to add. Let us add the device from here. Add device. This is a FTD2. The IP address 161.7.18. The display name will be FTD2. The password will be Cisco. Okay, the malware, we are just going to select everything. We'll be just using a new policy. We'll create a new policy for this one, FTD2 policy. It's better to have a different policy. Register. Now we're going to register the device. It will take some time to get it registered. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. See, seeing the, please make sure the registration key this will be required. Okay, this already we have entered the key. Let's wait for a few minutes and see if the device get registered. It is adding the device right now. It will take few more. See the discovery from device in progress. So it will take some time. It is mostly in this, especially in the simulation. You might find FTD1 is out of sync. This usually happens, especially in the simulated environment. But in actual environment, it shouldn't be happening. But if it does happen in actual environment, probably there's some bugs are there in the device that need to be fixed up. So both the devices are added right now. Okay. Now let us see if we can, what are the things that are we are able to if we are able to see the interfaces added the device. These are physical interfaces that is already there. Let's enable one of them, both. Now we'll just enable the interface, we'll not put anything in it. Okay, in the next session I will enable the enable the interfaces and configure the VPN, side to side VPN. Especially once you enable anything, you have to save the configuration. And similarly we're going to do for the let us do for the other one also. We'll enable one interface on the device also, so we can deploy the configuration both of them together. Okay, save the configuration. Yeah, now it's a deployment is there. Now we are getting this page because we have modified the configuration on FTD1 and FTD2. Okay, it's no basically. Okay, one. Now we are just deploying that. We are not using any kind of AMP, apply AMP dynamic analysis. These are just the logs that we are getting from FTD. We are not using any AMP for this currently, but in future videos I will show you how to add AMP log. See, right now we have there's nothing is there. So if we want to see the status, we will just go here and we can see the status of FTD1, FTD2. Well, I make exclamation mark in spite of FTD1. That's okay. I will re-add the FTD1 with FTD1 device with FTD1. So for today's session, we have already did what exactly we are supposed to do it. We have already added to FTD devices. For next session, we'll be making FTD side-to-side VPN, and I will let you know we're gonna build up the side-to-side VPN between FTD1 and FTD2. And the test PC is going to ping an IP address 192.168.4.1 on R13. And a test PC will be opening a web page because will be enabling HTTP on R13. It will be going to open R13 web page. However, we're gonna discuss this all in next video. Thanks for watching video. Bye guys.